Thank you very much for the invitation. I would like to start my talk with this question. What is data and what is knowledge? There are many definitions. I choose this one. Data is any sequence of one or more samples, and data does not have semantics. And knowledge allows to provide semantics to data. For instance, I can define the assertions that with data and knowledge, I can define Nantes is the birthplace of Jules Verne, and Jules Verne was born on February 8, 1828. Work on data and knowledge have started many years ago with language and system for data, graphical representation of knowledge, a lot of research. And now today, we speak about DBpedia, linked data, Wikidata, and knowledge graph. And the term knowledge graph appeared in 2012 in a blog of Google, introducing knowledge graph, things, not strings. And the idea here is in knowledge graph, we have things that have identity. For instance, if I go to Google search engine and I ask for Jules Verne, Google will rely on the knowledge graph to understand that Jules Verne is not a string. Jules Verne is a thing that is a writer and has a birthplace and etc. etc. This is knowledge. This is not data. Many companies define their own private knowledge graph. We have Google, Facebook, etc. etc. You can find an overview of the knowledge graph in this paper. And as you can see, there are many of entity in this and assertion in this knowledge graph. It's really very large scale. We have also open knowledge graph that the most known are DBpedia and Wikidata. DBpedia is a knowledge graph extracted from Wikipedia, and Wikidata is a collaborative edited knowledge graph. It's a wiki for editing structured data. And as you can see, it's really large scale. So what is a knowledge graph? There are many definitions. I choose this one. Is most used. Knowledge graph is mainly described the entity and interrelation organized in graph. We can define classes and the relation between this class in a schema, and we can make any interrelation between entities, and the knowledge